What's up everybody? I'm Victor, the Yonex stringer here down at Peak Play Badminton Centre. This is going to be a short series about the centre stringing, frequent questions, and also some educational videos which will prove handy when you come to string your racket. So the first one I'd like to sort of bring up is, or people have asked is, why do we have to cut the strings before we hand in our rackets to restring? Well, firstly, if you have popped your string on a racket and you leave it, it's obviously the tension's going to go, it's going to warp. So one side will blow out to where the actual string is snapped. So you want to quickly release all the tension so the frame doesn't actually break before you get to restring your racket. Only ever want to restring your racket, not buy a new racket. So very, very important. As soon as your string snaps, you need to release the tension as soon as possible. Starting from the middle, out.